Introducing the ATC-25 Portable Torque Tester, a compact and versatile tool designed to revolutionize your torque testing needs. This advanced device from AIMCO URYU packs a multitude of features into a small, portable package, making it an essential addition to any assembly or quality control workstation. The ATC-25's versatile mounting design simplifies testing for both pistol and inline tools, accommodating a wide range of applications with ease. Precise simulation of application joint characteristics is made possible through the inclusion of bevel washer joint kits, ensuring accurate and reliable testing results. The user-friendly Auditor Series menu structure allows for quick startup and easy operation, minimizing training time and maximizing productivity. With a bidirectional accuracy of 1% of the indicated reading within the top 90% of full scale, the ATC-25 delivers precise and consistent torque measurements. The tester offers eight available engineering units, including AUS-in, LB-in, LBFT Newton meters, CNM, KGFCM, GFCM, and KGFM, providing versatility for various applications. With a capacity of 25 inch-pounds /2.82 Newton meters and accuracy of plus 1% of indicated reading within the top 90% of full scale, the ATC-25 is a reliable and precise tool for your torque testing needs. The ATC-25 is powered by NIM rechargeable batteries, providing 8-10 hours of continuous use, and features an RS-232 output for data transfer. Invest in the ATC-25 Portable Torque Tester and unlock a new level of precision and versatility in your torque testing processes. Its compact size, user-friendly interface, and comprehensive range of features make it an indispensable tool for assembly and quality control professionals.